On this video, I'm going to set up a calendar, and at the same time, I'm going to show you how easy to create automations to remind your customer and yourself that, hey, you have an appointment. So that will be our video for today. If you're ready, let's begin. So the first thing is log in with our account. Then once you're in the account, go to the settings. And once you are in the settings, go to the calendar section. On the calendar section, select the calendar that you want to have an automations. So for this demo, I'm going to use my personal calendar. Click these three dots and click edit. The first thing that I'm going to show you, I'm going to run down first the the calendar, how to set up, and then the last part will be the automations of reminding you as the host and reminding your customer as the attendees. So the first thing is let's edit this one first. So the calendar logo, you can put your picture, you can put your logo there. The calendar name, this is where the people will able to see what kind of calendar they log in. So probably you can put your business name there, or you can put a description like mine. I just put 30 minutes meeting with Joey. This is my personal calendar, so I just 30 minutes meeting with Joey. And then this is a little bit description about myself, and then the unique URL. So this is the meeting invite title. This is the title that they will see once they book an appointment, and this is the title that they will see in in your client's calendar. Here you can select the team members. So for this demo, I will just use mine and then the Google location. I mean the calendar location. You have several options. You can have Zoom meeting location. It means that if they book an appointment, they will have a Zoom meeting link automatically, or Google Meeting. For this demo or for this calendar, I have Google Meeting. Or they can book an appointment and they can meet you in your office. So you can put your full address here. So the next one is the event color. The event color is very straightforward. This is just to put some identifiers, most especially if you have several calendars. So if you have several calendars, you can easily differentiate the different calendars by color. So for me, I just choose, purple. You can use red or yellow, depending on what you like. So now let's go to the availability. Availability is very straightforward. So you just need to select your business hours or your availability of your calendar. And of course, if you want your calendar to look busy, you just put 70% or 80%. 80%, it means that 80% of your availability will be hidden, right? So on your calendar, if 80% is hidden, it means that you will be look super, super busy, right? So this is one way of to add a sense of urgency. Forcing payment, it's very straightforward as well. This is where client able to sign up their information such as their name, their phone numbers, then email address. So basically, you can change these forms if you want to ask some qualifying questions such as name, address, where they live, the zone. So, or you want to add that this is your first time, or probably you want to buy something. So you can add and customize all the questions. But for marketing perspective, I will just basically ask the basic questions. I'll just ask for name, email, and phone number. That's it. I will not add any other questions because those questions I can ask them during the meeting. So the goal for the calendar is to book an appointment. Some people, they don't want to continue booking because there's so much information. They're not comfortable, right? So for me, if you're going to ask me, I'll just basically ask for their name, email, and phone. So pre-populate field stickers. So this is idea for, if they already have data to your system, then they don't need to type again their name, their phone number. So they just need to click submit. So this is one way to make it easier for people to sign in with your booking calendar because they don't need to type their name again and again. Add guests for, of course, if they want to add their employee, their manager, or maybe their spouse, they can add guests. So they can add their email address and they will be invited as well. So the confirmation page is where, hey, after converting, hey, thank you very much for appointment request. So this is just to confirm, this is the message after your client click booking appointment. All right. And this is the most important thing. This is the new features of our system. So this system is able to notify if there's a cancellations. They can reschedule. There will be a notification to you and to the clients and reminder. And this is the best thing. There will be a follow up as well. So appointment book is means that if it's confirmed, there will be a notifications for the contact or for your customers. So for this one, you say appointment confirmations on. This is the start time, the time zone, and then also we will have a message here like, hey, Joey. So this is a custom field wherein it will be replaced by your customer's name. So this email is more like a personalized email because this email will say, hey, Joey, Maria, right? Then your appointment has been scheduled. Here are the dates of your upcoming appointment. We have the title here. This is the title that you created, and this is also the date and time. This is the time starts, the time zones. And here's the meeting locations. I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this in Control B. And then they can also add this booking calendar. I mean, this appointment through their calendar appointment to Outlook and iCloud. And you say, see you soon. Joe. All right. And then from name, I'll just put my name here. And then I'll just put info at onefunnel.com. And you can also test this email, but for now, I'm going to save this. Then the next one is the assigned user. With assigned user, this is one way to notify you as, hey, there is someone send an appointment. So I'm going to send an appointment to myself. All right. So I'll say this is the username and I'll say full name. So username is my name, okay, as a user of the system. So your appointment has been scheduled with the contact name. So this is your customer's name. Here are the details. All right. So it means that after appointment, you will be notified that, hey, someone booked an appointment. Here's the information: appointment name, appointment time, and the booking link, and the contact information, the contact name or the full name of your meeting. And then review request, you can check this one for any other information that you needed. So same thing, I'll just click save. So now we created super easy email automations confirmation using our calendar. Super easy. It's everything is already done for you. What I did, I just changed the text. I just check the I just so I didn't actually it's already done for you. So everything is already here. So what I did, I just checked it and try to review. I just add my name. So that's super easy. It's already done for you. Now, let's go for reminding, right? Let's remind our customer and remind you as well as the host or as the business owner, right? So the first thing that you need to do is to go to the reminder section, click the pen icon, and then it says disable. So now just click this one. You will see the blue color here. It means it's enabled. Now let's go first notify the contacts. The contact is your customer, right? Now the question is, when would you like to trigger the notification? When do you want to start the notification? So what I want is to notify my customer like 10 minutes before the meeting, and I want to notify them 24 hours before our appointment start. And I want also like 48 hours before our appointment starts. So to do this, I will just do this. Reminder, upcoming appointment. Feel free to change this. But for me, I'm already happy with this. Very simple, very straightforward. 48 hours before the appointment, they will receive reminder, appointment, upcoming appointment, start date, time zone, and then the name. Let's say, hey, John, this is just a friendly reminder about your upcoming appointment. Here's the details: appointment title, and appointment start, appointment time zone, and the meeting link. And I'll just add my name here. See you, Joey Moreno. All right. And from, I'll say Joey Moreno. And then info at onefunnel.com. By the way, if you want to reach me, you can also email me at info at onefunnel.com. So it's super easy. Now your customer will be notified 10 minutes, 24 hours, 48 hours before appointment with this message. It's ready done for you, super easy, right? Now, let's go here to the assigned user. So this is you as the host, you as the business owner. Do you want to be notified 10 minutes before? Absolutely. Do you want to be notified 30 minutes appointment? Absolutely, right? And also, I want to be notified 24 hours of my appointment. Hey, reminder appointment contact. So, reminder appointment upcoming appointment with the contact name. So that's the name of your customers. And this is the appointment start date and appointment time zone. And I'll just say my name. I will put my name here. Go to the user and full name. This is a reminder of your upcoming appointment with. This is the customer's contact informations. Please review the details and the appointment time zone, the meeting locations, again the customer, and that's it. And let's save this one. So we're done. We're done with our notifications. I mean automated notifications to remind our customer by just clicking this one and checking the message and also changing the from name, from email address. And I'm also able to update my notification personally as a business owner. I want to be notified 10 minutes before the appointment, 30 minutes before appointment, and 24 hours appointment. And then click save and done. That's how easy to be notified by your calendar appointment. So your customer, your client will be notified and you as well. And that's how easy to update our calendar and also to do some automations to remind yourself and your client. So that's it for now. And before I end this video, I'm going to click save to make sure that whatever changes that I did for this calendar is already saved. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining. If you have any questions about the system that we're using to grow our business and my client, let me know in the comment section, and we are so happy to help you. And once again, it's me, Cap Joey, the founder of One Funnel. See you on the next one.